In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a location link in a Canva invitation. It's a simple process that will take you no more than 5 minutes, and it's a fantastic way to ensure your invitees know exactly where your event is happening. Let's dive right in and transform your basic invitation into a functional guide to your event location. First, open your existing Canva invitation design and locate the text element that contains the address. It's usually the best spot where you want to add a clickable link for your guests. Click on the address text to select it. This is your starting point, the canvas if you will, where we're about to inject some much needed functionality. Next, with the address text selected, look toward the top right corner of your Canva interface. You'll notice an icon with 3 little dots. This is what you're going to click next. These dots are a gateway to additional options that Canva offers for text manipulation and customization. Once clicked, a menu pops up with various options that might seem a little overwhelming, but don't worry, we're focusing on just one specific feature here. The third step in our journey involves clicking on the link button that you'll find in the drop-down menu after clicking those 3 dots. This is what allows you to embed a web link directly into the text, transforming it from just a piece of information into an interactive element. Now, open a new tab in your browser and navigate to Google Maps. Search for the venue or location you want to direct your guests to. Once you've located it, look for the share or copy link option to grab the direct URL. Switch back to Canva and simply paste the copied Google Map link into the link input field that appeared when you clicked link. Making sure you're pasting the correct link is key here, since it ensures a seamless experience for the people you'll be sending this invitation to. Finally, after you've pasted the Google Map URL, it's time to wrap things up. Click on Done to save your progress. This final click ensures that your link is now embedded within the text. Your Canva invitation is officially more interactive and user-friendly, providing your guests with instant access to the event location right from your invite. And there you have it. In just a few simple steps, your invite now has a handy location link that guides your guests straight to where they need to be. This not only adds to the professionalism of your invitation, but also brings convenience to your guests, helping them find the venue without any fuss. Thank you for watching, and I hope this Canva feature helps make your next event a success.